No obstacle is too tough for this off-roader. It conquers everything in its path. I was holding my breath the whole time. Thank goodness everyone was safe when that cable broke. That was one powerful duo. Bulldozer and excavator just nailed that water tower demolition.
Estamos enfrente a la verga. ¡Ah!
Well, that's one way to wash a tractor in record time. Rescue turned into a catastrophe. Tow cable broke, sending the SUV crashing down and causing even more damage. Amazing, right? That kind of strength is unreal.
Good.
Wearing red, but fate handed this truck a pretty rough day. When the big and stubborn go head-to-head, it's a clash to remember. Driving skills are just like this. No two drivers are the same. With a Liebherr 934 on the job, house demolition is fast and straightforward. Look at that, a guest is here. Time to head to the door and let them in. The crane tried to get the flipped truck back on its wheels, but the execution was far from perfect. Hours worth of work down the drain. Incredible power. Watch the Cat 307 excavator break through 20 to 25 centimeters thick ice like it's nothing. Wow, look at that Cat excavator in action, taking down that crane in just a few seconds. Impressive. Check out the T-330 bulldozer in action. This field performance is something you don't want to miss. After all was said and done, the excavator was the hero in pulling the man out of the mud. The Kenworth K100 looks like it's cruising through life with ease and style. Caught in this jaw-dropping scenario, what would you do? It's incredible to see this truck handling such thick snow with ease. Talk about a snow warrior. When you're powerful, nothing can hold you back. Caught red-handed. That truck's reckless move is all on tape. The security camera didn't miss a thing. Ease your way through, one step at a time, and you'll come out just fine. The driver's skill is absolutely phenomenal, truly outstanding. That could have gone so bad for the excavator operator. Lucky.
Tiba-tiba jangan.
You can be strong, but navigating tricky situations requires a mix of skill and precision.
Wonderful.
Here's how a Volvo EDC tackles a slope, raising the front and making the climb look smooth and easy. Watching the 800-ton crane dismantle was like seeing an AT-AT walker from Star Wars take its final fall. Wow, not a single piece of wood got wet. Everything's crystal clear. It's a tough lesson. If something wants to go, it's almost impossible to hold on to it. It's like something out of a fantasy. The truck bed just got crushed. Any clues on why? Share your thoughts in the comments. Truly an off-road beast, combining strength and agility in one powerful package. Looks like the price for trying to uproot stumps with a car was quite high. Looks like he picked the wrong car for this challenge. Uh-oh, the excavator just hit a water pipe while working. Looks like it's caused some trouble again. The driver's having a hard time with this weight in the slippery conditions. It's a real struggle. Good equipment is just one part of the equation. Safety should always be a top priority in silo demolition. Is this the designated gas station for the big boys? That's one way to handle a sand trap. Impressive work. Watching four giants take on a massive rock, this is what power looks like. Everything just reset. What kind of madness is this? Freeing these massive machines is a serious challenge that drags on and on. Slow down, man. What's the rush? That's one stylish way to transport an excavator with a tractor. After a bit of time, the Shackman H3000 dump truck is back on the track, thanks to the CAT excavator and crane. A vehicle that can conquer both land and water sounds impossible, but it just happened.